guys, I was just thinking about what I was going to do about Father's Day, and I was writing down some ideas. Hi, Ben, my dog's here. And I thought, oh, I should share it with you guys because we're always looking for great ideas for what to get the guys for Father's Day. So I wrote down my ideas and I'm going to share them with you. And if you have some ideas, feel free to put them below. It's getting windy as well. And we can help each other with what to get the guys for Father's Day. Okay, so the first thing that I got on my list was a craft beer subscription. I thought this was a really good idea. You can get their favorite beer delivered right to their door. I know that you can also get wine subscriptions, whatever your guy's into, but craft beer is a fun one and one that I hadn't thought of before. So the next one would be a Deluxe lunch cooler bag. So just something that's kind of, what did I have for this one? Old Kathy. I'll have to look that one up. I'll put a link below for you, but for what I remember, it was kind of a cool cooler bag that they can use for their lunches at work. This one I thought was really cool, a wireless charging station and sanitizer, and it was just something that they could put their phone in and their stuff in, their keys or whatever, charge their phone, and it sanitized their stuff too. With the whole COVID thing, it's nice to, some people just really like their stuff super sanitized. I actually know a guy, he's my casting director, and he's very, doesn't like to shake hands or anything like that, so something like this would be great for someone like that. Now, a drone. Okay, so I've been on a couple different movie sets where they used a drone to film us, but there was another one where a guy just had a drone and he would put the drone up in the sky in between sets just for fun. So it's really for the guy that just thinks it's fun, maybe the guy that liked the model airplanes that used to fly. Drones they're kind of fun, I think. So they can have a purpose, they can actually film things, or they can just be for fun. But I think that's a good idea. The Yeti Roadie cooler. Now, I thought this was really good for stadium games. The guys that like to do the football, tailgating parties. So that we have a few Yeti things. We have like the cups, the beer coolers, and we have like another kind of cooler that goes on the side of like a boat. But this was a little bit bigger and it was more specific for tailgating, which thankfully we're getting back to all the football games and all that kind of stuff. So I thought that was a good idea. A hammock. So we have a nice big yard here, and you have to have 2 trees. Actually, this one you probably don't need the trees. It's the hammock with the thing underneath. But I think a hammock is always nice for the guy to go take a nap when he's supposed to be cutting the lawn. This one was different, but I kind of like this one. I would have bought this one for my dad especially. And I think as the world is reopening, people are dressing up more. But this was leather personalized cufflinks, and they were on Etsy. So check that out. Just Google Etsy leather personalized cufflinks. I thought they were nice, and I thought, even that's something that I would get for a wedding for the groomsmen or whatever. I just thought it was a nice touch, and I think, I don't know about you, but I'm tired of wearing sweats and I'm starting to dress up more. So I think guys are too. So hope these helped you, and if I'll put the links below for what I found that I kind of thought were cool. But if you have some ideas, write me. Let me know. No barking. Let me know, because I'd love to know other ideas too. We can help each other find those guys that are hard to buy for sometimes, those gifts for Father's Day. So I hope you're having an awesome day. A little cold and windy here today, but yeah, let's talk soon.